Hi everyone, I am Rehana Bashira and my batchmates are Bala Ishwarya and Lavanya, and now we are going to talk about our project experimental studies on lead adsorption from aqueous solution using Limonia acidissima, a batch study. Lead contamination in industrial wastewater, especially from the paint industry, is a serious environmental and health concern. Our project focuses on using a natural and low-cost adsorbent, Limonia acidissima, also known as wood apple, to remove lead from polluted water.
To carry out the study, we prepared the adsorbents using shells of Limonia acidima. These were treated, washed and sieved using a sieve to get a uniform particle size. Then we conducted batch experiments to study the effect of different parameters on lead removal. These include contact time, initial lead concentration, pH of solution and adsorbent dosage. The experiments were done in a beaker with known volume of lead solution, and the concentration of lead before and after treatment was measured using atomic adsorption spectrometer AAS. We found the maximum lead removal efficiency and optimized the contact time and dosage, pH and initial concentration. These are the equipments we used. This is the image of atomic adsorption spectrometer, and the image on the left side is the jar test apparatus which we used to mix our solution.
Finally, it is inferred that the Limonia acidissima wood apple can serve as a viable and sustainable option for lead remediation, addressing various environmental concerns associated with the contamination of lead. Its absorption efficiency, scalability, and alignment with the Sustainable Goal 6 makes it as a valuable innovation in water contamination and waste management challenges. However, further investigations are necessary to explore the long-term stability, regeneration potential, and scalability of all the three adsorbents used in the real-world application. In further studies like isotherm modeling, kinetics, and column studies can be done to scale it up for the real-world applications. Thank you.